welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Today I've got a really great recipe for you. Now, if you are like we like breakfast for dinner. Miss Lippy over at Gemini Homestead just put out a biscuit and sausage and gravy video, and man, that made me want my own biscuits and gravy. My recipe's a little bit different, but I'll link her recipe down in the description below. Be sure and go check her video out because I love Miss Lippy. But mine, it's a little bit different, and this is just so easy to do. So I hope you will give my video a watch, thumbs up, like, share, all that fun stuff, because you know it sure does help you in the algorithm. I'm Texan, I have a hard time with that word, but anyway, this is what you're going to need. You need 2 cups of self-rising flour. It has to be the self-rising for this recipe to work. Dump it in there. And then a cup and a half of heavy cream. Not milk, heavy cream. Okay? Because it has your butter, it has everything already in it. And then we're going to mix it together. And you're just going to mix until it comes together. You don't want to overmix this. And it just takes it a second. It don't take it long. Alright, we're going to throw a little bit of flour down. Now Miss Lippy gave a great tip of putting some plastic wrap down and all that stuff. That'd be a great trip. Sorry Miss Lippy, I'm not going to do all that, but I'll wipe off my marble. It's okay. I don't think this is real marble. Or if it is, it's cheap. It's what the apartment supplied us with. Alright, and you're just going to dump your dough out. And then we're just going to start folding it in. Fold it, press it, flatten it out. Fold it again. You see, I'm not even adding any extra flour to this. Fold one more time. Fold one more time. Then I'm going to add a little bit more flour here. It's starting to get a little sticky. Alright, now I'm going to take my rolling pin. A little flour on it. I'm going to roll it out. Alright, now we're going to cut out our biscuits. Before we do that, I need to grease my pan over here. Now, I've just got a cake pan, I got some butter, and I'm just going to smear it around. You can use lard, you can use cooking spray, whatever you got. I prefer butter. I just like the taste. Let's start that over. You may think, I don't have biscuit cutters. Do you can? This is what I saw my grandmother use for years. Dump it a little bit of flour. Got a perfect biscuit cutter right there. Cut down. Pop it out. Perfect biscuit. Okay, I'm going to take a pastry brush and I'm just going to brush the tops of them with a little bit more of the heavy cream. We're going to pop them in the oven. We're going to cook them for 8 to 7 minutes. The next step of our little breakfast for dinner journey, you need some good old-fashioned Jimmy Dean Country Mild. That's the one we like the best. Of course, any breakfast sausage that suits your fancy would work. That's just the one we prefer. We're going to fry that up. What about you? What do you like? Do you like breakfast for dinner? Supper? What do you call it? Let me know in the comments below. I always love y'all's feedback. Hey, did y'all know this Sunday at 4 o'clock over on Mr. Cast Iron, I'm going to be at 4 Central Time. I'm going to be on his show. He's going to interview me. I hope y'all will come join us. If y'all don't know who Mr. Cast Iron is, please go check out his channel. I'm really excited about this interview. Alright, we're going to get this to cooking, and I'll bring you back when it's all cooked. Alright, our sausage is ready. So now let's make our gravy. I'm so excited about this. I'm hungry. Okay. You're going to add just a little bit of flour. You're going to mix that around. Get all your meat well coated. And I can't give you exact measurements here because I've just been making this for so long that it's just kind of by sight. You just want to get it coated well and kind of cook the white out. I'm going to need a little bit more fat in this pan. I'm going to add some butter. You see how it kind of looks thick? That's what you want. Alright, I had just a little bit of my heavy cream left, and you know, you can't let that go to waste, so I'm just throwing that in there. And then pouring a little bit of whole milk. I'll mix that up good. Gravy is about where we want it. We're gonna, our biscuits are ready. Bring them over here. Look at these biscuits, guys. And just for 2 ingredients, man, they turned out pretty. I'm gonna take a couple of biscuits, put them on our plate. What? Perfect biscuits, man. Split right open. I'm gonna take a ladle here. Pour some of our gravy on top. There you go, my friends. Biscuits and gravy for dinner. You can't get any better. Thank you for joining us today on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. If you like today's video, check out these other 2 videos I got on our playlist. And we'll see you on the next video.